When we take a tissue sample, fresh tissue alone does not reveal clear cellular detail. Tissue processing converts fixed tissues into a form that can be embedded in paraffin and cut into thin sections for microscopy. The primary aim is to prepare fixed tissue so it can be sectioned into very thin slices using a microtome, revealing cellular detail. This step is critical for accurate diagnosis. Even small processing errors can change how tissue looks and affect patient outcomes. Core steps are fixation, dehydration, clearing, paraffin infiltration, embedding, and microtome sectioning. We will explain each step clearly. We begin with fixation, the foundation of good morphology. Fixation stabilizes tissue structure and prevents decay before processing continues. Fixation chemically preserves tissue by cross-linking proteins and halting autolysis and decay, locking cellular structures in place for study. Common fixatives include formalin, which penetrates tissue and preserves morphology. Proper volume and fixation time ensure complete preservation. Underdone fixation causes artifacts and poor staining. Overfixation can mask antigens. Balancing time and conditions is essential for diagnostic accuracy. After fixation, tissues are rinsed to remove excess fixative, preparing them for dehydration without carrying interfering chemicals forward. A labeled diagram shows fixative penetration depth and fixation pathways, alongside a short clip of tissue immersed in a fixative solution. With tissue fixed and rinsed, the next step replaces water with solvents. This begins the dehydration sequence toward embedding compatibility. Dehydration gradually removes water using graded alcohols. This prevents tissue distortion and prepares samples for non-aqueous clearing agents. Typical dehydration uses increasing alcohol concentrations, ending with absolute alcohol. Proper timing and grades reduce artifacts and shrinkage. Clearing replaces alcohol with a solvent such as xylene or substitute, making tissue transparent and receptive to paraffin infiltration. Incomplete clearing leaves residual alcohol that blocks paraffin penetration and causes poor sectioning. Complete clearing is essential for quality sections. Paraffin infiltration permeates tissue with molten paraffin at controlled temperature, replacing the clearing agent to support thin, stable sections. Uniform infiltration ensures the tissue is fully supported by paraffin, preventing tears and enabling consistent sectioning quality across the specimen. Embedding orients the tissue in a paraffin block so the region of interest is accessible and properly supported for sectioning. Embedding molds are cooled to solidify paraffin. Labels and orientation markers maintain specimen identity and the correct cutting plane. Microtome sectioning slices the paraffin block into thin sections, commonly 4 to 5 micrometers, suitable for routine light microscopy. Blade quality, microtome settings, and block trimming affect section thickness and integrity. Skilled technique reduces chatter and compression artifacts. Sections are floated on a water bath to relax, and then mounted on glass slides for staining and examination under the microscope. A short reel clip of microtome cutting alongside a labeled diagram of microtome parts clarifies the mechanical steps involved in sectioning. Quality control checks include tissue orientation, consistent section thickness, absence of folds, and accurate labeling to ensure reliable diagnosis. Errors at any step can lead to misdiagnosis. Standardized protocols, documentation, and training are key to maintaining laboratory consistency. Process slides are stained and examined by pathologists. Clear, artifact-free sections directly impact interpretation and patient treatment decisions. Minimalist visuals and clear on-screen labels help focus attention on each step and how it affects the final diagnostic image quality. In summary, proper fixation, dehydration, clearing, paraffin infiltration, embedding, and sectioning are essential for accurate microscopic diagnosis. Thank you for watching. Accurate tissue processing is a cornerstone of pathology. Consult laboratory protocols and training for detailed procedures. And that wraps up today's topic. If this explanation helped you understand the concept more clearly, make sure to like the video and subscribe to this channel for more simplified lab technology and radiology lessons powered by AI. We break down complex subjects in hematology, biochemistry, microbiology, pathology, X-ray, MRI, and diagnostic imaging, step by step, so you don't just memorize, you truly understand. If you have any questions or want a specific topic covered, drop it in the comments below. Until the next video, keep learning smart, keep thinking critically, and keep mastering diagnostics.